ALDI £2.49, January 23. Cold press cherry, apple, carrot, mandarin, ginger, lemon, plus vitamins B, C, D and E. Mend and defend. New recipe. Cacao 76. Oh, that's 150 millilitres. For 100 millilitres it's 51. Ingredients: cherry puree, mandarin juice, cloudy apple juice, carrot puree, lemon juice, ginger puree. Have I read this already? There's so much info in this. Well, so much writing. Don't know how much info it is. This must be their intro. This cold press is a blend of cold pressed fruit and vegetable juices and purees with added vitamins. I'm surprised it says purees because it didn't say that in the shop, you know. When I bought it I thought it was just liquids. I mean, I like purees and I'm glad it's got purees, but it's just interesting that they didn't mention it really. Cold press. I wonder what the difference with cold press and the normal pressing is. I would have thought they would all be cold pressed. You know, smoothies and that. I mean, the mix is definitely different. Cherry, apple, carrot, mandarin, orange, ginger and lemon. I don't know about adding vitamins and that, you know, I think that's a bit of a gimmick really, but I mean, the fruit juice has got vitamins anyway. Mend and defend. I guess this is the idea that they're sort of selling them now as sort of immunity things or energy things. You know, I'm guessing this is an innocent drinks thing where they give them sort of, well, I would call them gimmicks. Like sometimes it'll be energy, sometimes it'll be immune, sometimes it'll be detox. That's the idea, you know, in their opinion. Cold press, packed full of nutrients. No added sugar. Well, you don't need that with fruit, it's got a lot of sugar already. No tricky stuff. Don't know what that means really. 100% cold pressed. Oh, it's not pasteurised, right? Oh, yeah, the smoothies are usually pasteurised, the other ones I've seen. You know, your basic smoothies, your mango, strawberry or pineapple. Yeah, they always say pasteurised, and so this is cold pressed. So I wonder why they pasteurise them anyway. I mean, that's usually to sort of kill bacteria, isn't it? Or to prevent bacteria building up or something. So I wonder why they don't all do cold pressed. Maybe it's too expensive or something. Alright, I see. 1 of your 5, fruit and veg. Well, according to Professor Tim Spector, we should be trying for 30 a week rather than 5 a day. 30 a week, a diverse diet. They call it diet versity. But at the moment, it's just 5 a day, you know. Well, you're getting plenty a day of diversity. Cold press. Yeah, this is a strange mix. I mean, I've tasted it already. I mean, it tastes nice. It tastes alright. It's not something I would think of as a favourite or anything, but it's definitely nice, you know. It's definitely 7 out of 10, and that could be maybe go higher. 8 out of 10, easily. I don't think it would go lower. Cold pressed, yeah, because I like the cherry juice, you know, I like cherry cola and that, you know. Mandarin, that's an orange, isn't it? Yeah, I think I can taste that mandarin a bit. Apple, carrot, lemon, I didn't really notice them. Ginger, maybe just a wee bit, because there's only a wee bit in it. Because ginger's pretty potent in it, volatile, or cold pressed to lock in nutrients and a pure fresh taste. Yeah, I mean, I like vitamins and all that, but I don't know about adding them if there's a need, you know. But I suppose this is what they're doing. They're adding all these to sort of be the idea of immunity, helps your immunity. Coldpress Foods Limited. I wonder if this is just, this seems like, I know it's not an ALDI company, it must be their own company, and ALDI are buying their stuff in. Well, £2.49 is probably as cheap as you're going to get for this sort of thing, probably. The important bit, the ingredients. Cherry puree, 43%. Yeah, I can taste cherry. I wouldn't say it's strong cherry though, I don't really know what I'm tasting. Maybe it's because it's such a eclectic mix. I don't really know what I'm tasting. I feel that I can taste the mandarin juice, if that's orange. Cloudy apple juice, no. I think they usually take apple as a sort of carrier because it's sort of, it can be hidden. It's sort of, you can't really taste it that much when you mix it with other stronger tasting things. Carrot puree, 5%. No, I can't taste that, really. Not that I noticed. Lemon juice, no, I didn't really notice that. That's 3%. And ginger puree, 1%. I feel that I can taste that. You know, ginger's so strong. You see ginger a lot in sort of, you know, diet advice for things like irritable bowel syndrome and that, because it's meant to calm your stomach and that. That's what I take from that. So it's an eclectic mix. It doesn't feel like a cherry drink, you know, when I taste it. But it must be because of all the other things in it. I mean, it's nice, but it's sort of a bit nippy, not. Yeah, I mean, lemon juice, that's another one that gives you a sort of quite a strong taste in it. You've got 4 days to drink it. There's all your vitamins and that. Yeah, it's interesting anyway. I mean, probably I wouldn't buy it regular because of the price, £2.49. I wonder if that's the way the industry will go, cold pressed rather than pasteurised, but I doubt it because it's probably more expensive. Maybe it's just something you can do on a small scale or something. So, because I think the public would like the idea of cold pressed rather than pasteurised, but whether it's important or viable, I don't know. So there you go, Aldi. What's the actual drink called? Is that the name of the drink? Made and Defend? Yeah, must be. Cold press, I would call it the red drink, because I've got 2 other cold press ones, I think. That's your immune one, apparently. Is this another innocent drinks marketing thing? Alright guys, there you go. I think that's been very in-depth and informative. I'll give it a thumbs up, but, you know, not a ultra enthusiastic one. Not one when I'm going to buy it every week and all that, you know. Okay. I mean, like I say, the main thing to me was I thought it was a juice, but it turns out it's got puree smoothie in it. If it's got puree, you can call it a puree. Well, you can in my thingy. Yeah, the main ingredient, cherry puree, 43%. You don't normally see puree as the main. Usually it's apple juice in it. The mandarin is just, the apple is just carrot puree and ginger puree. So I don't know why they don't call it a smoothie. Probably sell more. Maybe it was called a smoothie, but I got confused a bit. Alright guys, it's all over. £2.49, January 23. Aldi, but it looks like it's a company on its own merit, this cold press. Maybe that's the name of the company. Or the brand, at least. Yeah, it is. They call themselves Coldpress Foods Limited. So it's in Aldi, but I guess you can get it other places. Probably not any cheaper though.